So this is my Domino Rally that we just made, and I got a diamond going around this bush right here, and then 3 dominoes on one, and then I got it going out like this, and these gonna fall, and then sound, and then put it up, and I got these dominoes going under a bridge, and then I got this domino trick that is 2 dominoes next, and then right here and 4 dominoes in one, and then I got the end of that domino pattern, and then I got this domino pattern with 2 tricks at the end. Ready, steady, go!
It pushed Lightning McQueen a little bit.
Yeah, that's great.
Awesome.
Maybe I'll use that as like a little bit of like a chain reaction like this someday. And it's gonna lead it all the way to the other domino.
That'd be so cool. All right, well then we'll have to get that in another video.
Yep, we're gonna do that on the Domino Rally 8.
Okay, thanks for watching.
Bye.